As regards the current war which is on today, we are in the seventh day between Iran and Israel. It's very difficult to state as of now as to how it is going to go about. But presently, both the countries are hell-bent on destroying each other. Iranians, long time back, had taken a pledge that we will wipe off Israel from the map of the world. And Israel, in turn, has vowed that they will strike the nuclear capability sites of Iran and destroy them so that they are unable to have a nuclear weapon with them. These two things, because of these two things, both the countries are fighting as much. Another reason is that Iranian has become a radicalized Islamic state. So that is, and for that, the biggest threat that can accrue to Israel is from Tehran. So because of that, again, Netanyahu wants to eliminate or get a regime change done in Iran. As I see it presently, maybe for a few days, this current bombardment across borders will take place. But at some point in time, Americans will surely enter into it. I say so because Israel has been at it for the last 1.5 to 2 years, because initially they were fighting the terrorist organization of Hamas, Houthi and Hezbollah, as well as certain terrorist organizations which are located in Iraq. So their defense capability must have got reduced a little bit. And then suddenly they have been pushed into war. I would not say that that Israel got into the war, but I would say that they were pushed into the wall by the Americans. And now fighting a terrorist organization and a country like Iran, it's a different ball game. So which we need to understand, and that is why initially Iran used the tactics of sending in hundreds of missiles into Israel. Now that was basically to cause damage to the anti-missile or anti-air defense system of the Israelis, which you're aware, Iron Dome is there. Then they have David Sling, Arrow system. So once that has been compromised as of date, the Iranians have reduced the quantity of missiles that are being fired at Israel. Because now they have got the airspace available in Israel, where the missiles can go and do precision strikes. Similarly, the Israelis have got an absolute control over the airspace of Iran. So both countries are hell-bent on destroying each other. There are only two things which can take place. One is either Al Khamenei runs away, or second, he's killed. There is no other way that that peace can prevail in the Middle East. And Americans, when they step in, they will step in with all their wherewithal and try and destroy the nuclear capability of the Iranians, as well as get the regime changed.